All right, welcome back to Bud's Builds, where we build it, break it, and improve it one buzz at a time. Today's episode is going to be real quick. Is that we had a toilet start leaking. It's approximately 10 o'clock at night right now. No hardware stores are open. The closest one's about 30 miles away, and they closed at 10. So we're on our own until tomorrow. However, I was able to find a 3D print tool to actually help me get this 4 inch. Is it a 4 inch or three? I think it's a 4 inch nut off the toilet. Something weird that they make. I don't know how we got it, but whatever. I don't have. I'll show you here in a minute. I don't have the lockjaw pliers big enough to actually take this plastic nut off. So we're gonna 3D print it. Hope that it works, and we'll see if we can get this fixed tonight or if we gotta wait till tomorrow. So, all right, let's get buzzed. All right, this is the top of the tank, and as you can see, I've got two different what do they call these, slip joint pliers, and neither one of them is big enough to actually fit on this nut. It's way too big, and if I try to force it, I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. And since it's late at night, I don't want to break anything. So this plastic piece is on there tight, and it's not coming off. So we're printing that the part. I'll put it up on screen now. Printing the part to hopefully print a wrench to get this off. All right, we got the wrench off the printer. It took about an hour and 10 or 15 minutes to print. Let's see if it works. All right, it fits. All right. I might have to let the camera go real quick. See if I can get this. All right. It worked, as that it was able to turn the nut, but the nut and the piece are stuck together, and I used a little bit too much force and broke it off. So I'm going to print another one and be a little bit more careful on it. Let's come back to it. This is the worst thing about 3D printing. Gotta wait for it to print. I told you that took about an hour and 20 minutes since I snapped that one. Now I'm having to wait for this one. So what do we do in that time? Well, we buzz.
A few moments later.
Alright. 10 minutes down.
12 seconds later.
I guess we're at 20.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright. I'm not sure how long it's been. Maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Still going.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, we're rounding, I don't know, 50 minutes to an hour. Almost there. Alright, this is the bad thing about 3D printing. It's almost done, but I'm out of buzz materials, so this thing better hurry up because it's about to be an unpleasant evening. Alright, folks, we were able to actually get that part off today. If you print one of these, take it easy on it. The handle does like to break. I broke one, and I was... the second one was kind of snap, crackle, and popping while I was actually taking it off. This was actually the first time this was off, to my knowledge. So I don't know, maybe 10 years. It was on good and tight. So hopefully yours ain't that way, and this 3D part will actually be able to help you out. All right, folks. Thanks for the quick one. Stay buzzed.